What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Alright, so I got the tire off here and it's jacked up. And then and all the way back there, I don't know if you guys can see it or not. The bolt's all the way back there, so I got this super long extension. And that should work for it to come off, so I don't think they'll be too tight, so we'll see. Alright, I think I got it. Wasn't very tight. Alright, it's out. Just reach in there. There's one. And then we gotta go onto the car to get the other one. Alright, so here is the next one. Much easier access to get to. I don't have this fancy socket, so I just used a 11mm 12 point, and that seems to work. But before I loosen that, I'm just gonna take off the power wire here. That way it's not hanging by it when we take it off the starter. Alright. Oh yeah, it's working. Whoops. Oh. Okay, there we go. Should come out of here now. Yep. There we go. Alright, so we got the new starter here. And then here's the old one beside it. This is pretty like dried out looking with no grease. So I'm gonna put a little bit on this one here, and maybe it'll help it last a little bit longer. That way we don't have to be changing this thing again. And then we can go put it back into the car. Alright guys, let's pop this new one in here. Okay. this. Okay, I should be able to just get this in by hand. It's my wrong hand, of course, but I should be able to do. There it goes. Okay, it's in there. Now I just gotta grab an extension. That's as good as I can get that. Alright, so before I put everything back together, I'm gonna hook everything back up. Okay, let's see if this thing's gonna turn over. Yep, it works. I didn't know how to start it yet. There's nothing shaking around, but that's good. So we'll take everything out from underneath and put the tire on and set it back on the ground. Alright, let's get this tire back on, and then we can lower this thing down and actually start it up. Put gloves on. Alright guys, let's get this thing fired up and make sure it works good. Alright, there we go, it's all good. Alright guys, that's gonna end today's video. Starter works good, and hopefully it continues to work good for a long time. But yeah, that's gonna today's video. Be sure to leave a like down below, and also be sure to subscribe because it really helps with the channel a lot. But other than that, guys, that's gonna end today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.